I'm going to show you how to use the Orchestrator REST API. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Watrous from VVork. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about automating, programming, and monitoring in VMware environments, you're in the right place. Before you can run any of the operations defined by the Orchestrator REST API, you first have to authenticate. So let's take a look at how to do that in the lab environment. Whoa, Brian, stop. You already have videos created that talk about exactly how to authenticate. So let's not recreate this video. Instead, if you would like to see a detailed video on how to authenticate to the Orchestrator Server REST API, take a look at this video. On the other hand, if you'd like to see a quick version, take a look at that video.